everybody. Today I'm here to tell you some funny jokes. Ha 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 ha. Whatever. Okay, here we go. What did the dog tell the ant? Hey, is that anybody videoing my booty? You're right. That's what the lion told the ant. Well, now you're gonna know. What did the penguin tell the... give me an animal.
Yes. Penguin.
Penguin. Well, you're right. Well, guys, you don't know how to speak English? Do you understand English? This was supposed to be funny. I said funny. Well, that was weird. Awkward.
Laugh Productions.
Thank you for watching today. I'll come back tomorrow with more Weird Time.